Alright, top of the morning, I'm back, so hope you're doing good. It's a Friday. This week was long as hell, but have a little something to look forward to. So it's gonna be pretty lit, but we gotta do a lab today. But yeah, got something to look forward to. So I hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great.
He said,
gang.
Cowboys.
Okay, if Baron shows up, but the point is, right now, you have control.
What's the biggest difference?
Nah, we don't want him to come back.
Oh my God,
We don't want him to come back.
we don't want him back.
What are you
Well,
talking
I hear he's
about,
coming back
Monday?
Friday. Monday's the last
Yo,
day.
we gotta make up and write. Everybody, listen. Let's write a bullshit car in the packages, so we don't get free zeros when he come back.
Mm-hmm.
He gonna be like, "Oh, I gave y'all time. I don't know what y'all was doing. Zero."
We apologize for our actions to the committee.
Fuck no. Fuck
I
no.
don't know how you're talking about these labs. Okay, labs are generally done by the instructor and who puts the grade in, whether you did or didn't do it. Okay.
The Taliban that you got on your bio.
Like, yo, you're a crazy guy, man.
You have the Taliban on your bio,
fuck
bro.
the Taliban. No, fuck the ISIS. You should say the Taliban.
First of all, there's a difference between ISIS and ICE.
Yeah, bro.
That nigga just say the first thing that comes.
He
to his
doubled
head.
down on the racism.
I just better start here. Yo, relax, Chris. I'm sick, man.
Yeah, you gotta say sweats out loud, bro. Sneakers, bro. Sneakers is a great thing.
Offering 45, right? I'm offering 45. I can give you $2 right? That's the most you can get out
Are
of
you fucking crazy?
That's what you're gonna get. $2. And
Think
two
about it.
pennies.
The more you think about it, the higher the inflation goes. So the more, right now I'm at 100. So like,
Right now, it looks to me like you just know numbers. You just say it. Oh,
like sneakers don't sit at the same price. They go up. You fucking
they did drop. Like, they
the more
win.
people want it, the more people.
You want this done?
Y'all want me to do this? I don't want to do this.
I don't want you to do it. I want the money to do it. I finished this.
But I'm not doing it. I can't use it. Alright, so,
I just
alright,
peed.
let's go. Alright. I got a good price for you guys.
Who?
I'm 35.
$45.
And I buy lunch.
That guy. No, stop.
All right, we're competing for the light.
Competed for lights.
What's the code? Do it with that damn camera, sir.
He's a filmer. He's a recorder.
I'm a edit. I'm a
he
vlogger.
makes.
He sounds like a cheater to me.
He takes content
No.
on that blue app. You know that blue app?
Yeah, it's got like a little flag
You
and an
gotta pay like a
O.
subscription.
on the blue app.
I pay his espresso oil, right? So when we do what happens?
When you actually
So
pull
it's-
it,
so it's lubricated.
it's mixed.
Excuse me?
When you actually recover it, it's mixed.
And does what? When it gives
Lubricated.
it to the machine.
Recover.
Yeah,
It's going to separate.
separate.
Okay? Do we want oil to go into the refrigerant tank in the AC system? No.
No.
We also, if we can, and we have a bottle that's almost empty, we want to know how much oil came out.
What kind of information is not stated on the stick?
Come on, bruh. So we supposed to guess?
I'm guessing on the bottom left. I'm guessing bottom left.
I'm guessing blue.
I'm guessing. Nah. Yeah.
Ah!
Fucking
Cause it's just a regular tag. You tried to trick. Like, what's going on, bro?
You know.
I've never
You know
seen
why
a car
I knew
tell you
about
how
my
much
sticker?
oil it gets.
Because I remember what's on the sticker. Yeah.
Okay?
Peter, you went up there.
You might see anywhere between 3 to 6 ounces.
I ain't gonna tell you all that.
Yeah, they ain't gonna tell you the oil. That ain't gonna
Okay? And just so you know, some machines do not inject it. So you might need to get a oil injector.
Or the USB.
Let me see the light. Let me get my hands on that.
Man, you're not even on the top 3. You shouldn't even see the light.
car, right? I can use the light, right?
That light was on my name.
It's alright, cause at the end of the day, I got a baton and I can beat niggas with mine. Y'all can't do that. Y'all can't do that with y'all light.
Blind you. I'm gonna say Chris. Chris, stop.
I am the one with trying me. Can't stand this nigga, bro. Man said Chris, stop.
Chris.
Now I hope yours doesn't disappear like mine.
Okay, yo.
I think it's that's his BMW right there. You can ask him if it's in there.
No, did you feel something like get ran over?
Oh, Paul,
He
let me
went out, but yeah, Paul, he said he lost his BMW last time he seen it was on.
He lost
I said lost his BMW, he lost a flashlight. Last time we seen it was working on it was on the BMW.
or the Volvo. So.
No, because I had to
There's 2 Volvos though, so we gotta
No, but I checked the Volvo.
So yeah. So it's probably the Beamer,
Yeah.
which means he probably has it.
VP. They need me to carry you?
Nah, they just jumped me, bro. They just jumped me, but we gotta get them.
We gotta move them?
This is what we do.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Another one. Oh shit! Where am I?
How you doing today, Yo, we gotta get. Yo, God. What the fuck was that?
You all have to watch it. You keep giving me good attendance, good grades, good uniform. Every Friday I'm gonna bring something else lit. I promise. Every Friday. Alright? That's all I need. Attendance, good grades, good uniform. I'm gonna keep it going. Every Friday I'm gonna get it lit. Alright?
Damn.
That shit. Let me see. I gotta. Right now. This is disgusting.
Big ass fucking turbo.
Yo, yeah, look at that. It's hot too. Yo, this is. How we feeling about this, brother?
Fire, bro.
Fire.
I'm pretty sure this is a S52. Damn. E36.
That shit smell good, don't it?
Yeah. E85. Yeah, E36. Same shit as mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have one.
course, he
Just
got
not turbo, but I have one.
This is what we get into. Feel me? Like, feel me? Gotta understand the progress. Yo, that first rev, nasty.
Yo, you have a rough estimate of the horse? The horses? Not dyno. He just said no dyno, Kyber.
Like, give a guess, just all feeling.
If I had to guess, probably 5. Yeah.
Like the motor itself would be more than that. You gotta make everything else around the car have to work hard.
Yeah.
So right now, the fuel system, I would have to change the injectors. I would have to get a bigger turbo, like a little things to make it work it out. The motor itself is more.
So you're around the range of 700?
Turn up, you know what I mean? You can always just turn up the engine.
Forged internals?
Oh, he got.
Fire.
That thing gonna be strong.
Fire.
You got one too.
Yeah, that's what I was. No, but this is an S52. I have the M52. But yo, CV, I have the M52. That's the S52.
That's the sport.
Yeah, that's the M3 motor. Yeah, I don't got that.
You guys are crazy. Saying you need silicone strain, I'll order some more up.
But yeah, guys, school is over. But me and my boy CV working on his brakes. You know the vibes. So yeah, we out here.
I'm a fucking dude, bro. I gotta lube up
Both bottom and top. Yeah.
Oh yeah, on that part under it. Yeah.
But it's only these parts.
Yeah. Can you like open it, just squish a little loop? We gotta put the wheel first, yeah. I'm like, yo.
No, we gotta torque shit first. I lose my knees before my fighting career starts.
Yeah. Me and my boy CV got it done. Back on the road. Yeah. Back on the road, baby. If y'all remember that video when this shit fucking left me stranded, I had this shit just chilling all this time, and I finally actually got the belt in order. No check engine light. Love to see it. Love to see it. Oh my goodness.